Welcome. A lot of students have queries regarding getting help for individual sections when they are preparing for their UGC NET examination. So, for your UGC NET examination, if you are wanting to get help for specific topics in paper 1 or your optional papers in geography and psychology, how you can avail that? So, if you, let's say, go on to the UGC NET geography course, or let's go on to the paper 1 course first. So, here there are 7 books that are included in the course if you go onto the home page. Now, let's say you feel that you are good at mathematics but you need help only with research and teaching. So what you can do is, this is the book that actually pertains to teaching and research. You need not to go for the complete section. You can simply click the choose book option here and select the book that you want. So let's say you select this book, and once you select this book, you can simply add it to cart or proceed to checkout. But the idea is, it's not at all required that you get the complete course. If you are facing issues with specific topics, you must go only with those topics and get help only in those topics. And in case you have reached this mode, you want to go back to the complete course mode, you have to simply click the complete course here, and then you would again get the complete course, the details of the complete course. You can go on back here to view more details, to reach the complete details. All the 7 books you would have here. The sample and the topic list are available for each of those. So when you click the topic, you would see what all would come in that book. Okay, so this way you can select the sections that you feel you are struggling with and exclusively prepare for that subject. Similarly, for let's say geography subject, if you are preparing, you have a set of 4 books. Let's say you are good at India geography, you face a specific difficulty with physical geography or human geography, we can say. You can simply click choose books again and select human geography, economic geography as a separate textbook. Even some students face difficulty with cartography, statistics, so that section is available in tools and techniques, the GIS, remote sensing. So you can select a specific book and proceed from there. So that was just a guideline to help you navigate through the process of the study material available at the website. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back, and you can definitely get in touch with us on the below number. Thanks for joining in.